Hi there, this is Jennifer with the Brome Fields, and today's stitch we're going to be working up the purse stitch. And this is a really easy stitch to memorize. You want to cast on in multiples of 2. So I have 10 stitches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to do a little swatch here. And I'm going to start on row 1 so you can see how it works up from the very beginning. It's a little bit different, but it's very easy to memorize. There are no knit stitches in this. The first stitch, I was going to say that the first few rows are a little hard for me anyways. They were a little hard to hold on to, but after the first few rows, it was much easier. So the first stitch and the last stitch of every row, you're going to purl that first stitch, and then you're going to start your repeat, which is a 2-stitch repeat. So you're going to yarn over and purl 2 together and repeat. Yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, and then purl that last stitch. And sometimes here I would forget and I would do a yarn over, but whenever you flip it around, it's pretty easy to tell when you have an extra stitch there. So we're going to repeat the same thing on the front side as we just did the back side. So we're going to purl the first stitch, yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. So whenever you're purling 2 together, sometimes it's just to help me remember and so that I know I'm on the right track. The second stitch is the yarn over. So it shouldn't ever be like this, where you have the yarn over and you're going to purl those 2 together. It's not ever going to look like that. You'll always have your knit stitch and then your yarn over, and you'll purl those 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together, and then purl that last stitch. So that's what the beginning of it looks like. And I liked this stitch so much, I made a blanket. So this is what you end up with and what it ends up looking like. And I just love how that came together. I don't love that it doesn't have any knit stitches because I'm quite fond of my knit stitches, but I think that was way worth it. I just love this, and it's nice and stretchy, and yeah, worked up really quick compared to some other, I mean, it's not a lot of knit stitches, a lot of purling. It was a little hard on my hands, so I will be honest there. So I didn't knit a whole lot all at once on this, only like 2 or 3 hours at a time. But I really love the end result. So I hope you guys loved today's new stitch, and I hope to see you guys again next time. And thank you so much for watching.